Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming system details so you know why the app fails. Check Windows 11 build and whether you run 64-bit or 32-bit because that determines compatibility. Once done, locate the program exe or shortcut, right-click, Open Properties, and choose the Compatibility tab. Select Run this program in compatibility mode and pick Windows 7 or 8. This forces legacy behaviors the app expects. Doing this first often solves missing API or installer issues. Now you move into deeper fixes using Windows tools and settings. Run the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter from Settings to let Windows auto-detect fixes. It can apply shims that emulate older behaviors. Make sure to try Run as Administrator and adjust compatibility options like Reduced Color Mode or Run in 640x480 if graphics fail. If necessary, use the Application Compatibility Toolkit or Install Time Fixers to create custom compatibility layers. These steps address permission, display, and to finish, ensure supporting libraries are present. Install the exact Visual C++ redistributable. NET version or DirectX the app requires. Mismatched runtimes cause silent failures. If problems persist, run the app in a virtual machine or Windows sandbox so you can isolate it without changing your system. Make sure to test success there. If still broken, collect error logs, event viewer entries, and record steps to reproduce. One key troubleshooting tip: try a clean VM to determine whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.